Hello guys, so I've been using IFS ERP for several months now, and I have to say, it's one of the most flexible and user-friendly enterprise resource planning systems I've ever worked with. Right from the start, what grabbed me was how modular and intuitive it feels. When you're running a business, having a system that works the way you do makes all the difference. I went in thinking I would just use it for asset management and supply chain, but once I explored, I realized how many areas it covers, from financial management to CRM, production management, and even enterprise service management. Everything feels integrated, so I never have to jump between multiple systems to get the full picture of my business operations. For example, I no longer need separate platforms to track inventory, financials, and customer interactions. All of this is available in one place, making things much smoother and efficient. What really stands out is the component-based architecture. It's built on a service-oriented design, which means that each module works independently, but they integrate seamlessly with the others. This modular structure allows you to pick and choose the exact functionality you need, and then scale as your business evolves. This meant I could start with the modules I needed immediately and add more as our business needs grew. For instance, we began with materials management and production planning. After a few months, we added financials and customer relationship management, CRM, without disrupting anything that was already running. This scalability is a huge advantage because it lets you evolve your system over time without the hassle of overhauling everything at once. The interface is clean, intuitive, and surprisingly easy to navigate for such a powerful system. With IFS ERP, finding tasks, checking reports, and even customizing dashboards is a breeze. I can personalize my workspace to show the most relevant information to me, making it easier to keep track of what's happening across various departments. It definitely saves a ton of time, especially compared to older, clunkier ERP systems I've used in the past. And as a Shopify store owner, I can tell you that time-saving tools are invaluable when you're trying to manage multiple tasks, products, and orders all at once. I also really appreciate how IFS ERP supports change. In industries like ours, market demands can shift quickly, and having a system that can adapt without requiring massive overhauls is invaluable. IFS allows for this flexibility, especially with its AI-powered tools and advanced analytics, which make decision-making much easier, whether it's optimizing production processes or managing field service operations. These features have really helped our team stay agile and responsive to changing business needs. Plus, the cloud deployment option is a game changer. It keeps everything accessible, secure, and up-to-date without the headaches of traditional on-premise maintenance. With cloud-based systems like IFS ERP, you can access your data from anywhere, which is perfect if you're running a business with a remote or on-the-go team. There's no need to worry about maintaining hardware or updating servers, which allows you to focus more on growing your business. One minor thing is the learning curve. If you want to fully leverage all the features, it does take some time to get the hang of it. But honestly, once you get comfortable with it, the system is incredibly powerful. The more you learn about it, the more you realize just how much it can streamline your day-to-day operations. Reporting, real-time data insights, and integration with other business tools just make life simpler and more efficient. Honestly, for any medium to large business looking to streamline operations, improve agility, and get real-time visibility into every aspect of their organization, IFS ERP is worth the investment. It's flexible, intelligent, and built for companies that want to grow without being limited by their software. Whether you're handling production, inventory, finances, or customer relationships, IFS ERP gives you the tools to manage it all in one place. Overall, my experience has been smooth, efficient, and surprisingly enjoyable for enterprise software. It's definitely a platform that can evolve with your business, helping you scale without feeling restricted by outdated technology.